Do you know the symptoms of a bad throttle body? We're diving into the world of car mechanics today, specifically focusing on the throttle body, a crucial component of your vehicle's engine. Picture it as the heart of your car's air intake system. Its primary function, regulating the amount of air flowing into your engine, which directly influences your vehicle's performance and fuel efficiency. When it's in top shape, the throttle body ensures a smooth ride. But when it starts failing, it can lead to costly repairs and worse, unsafe driving conditions. Recognizing the symptoms of a bad throttle body is like understanding your vehicle's distress signals, allowing you to address issues before they escalate. From inconsistent engine performance to unusual noises, there are several telltale signs your throttle body might be acting up. So you may be asking yourself, so what are the signs that your throttle body might be in trouble? Well, buckle up, we're just getting started. The first symptom of a bad throttle body to look out for is erratic idle speed. This is when your car's engine speed fluctuates while it's idling. You might notice this when you're at a stoplight or parked with the engine running. This happens because the throttle body controls the amount of air that enters the engine. And if it's faulty, it could cause irregular air supply, leading to unstable engine speed. Next up is power loss. This symptom is pretty straightforward. If your car isn't accelerating as it should, or you're finding it difficult to reach your usual top speed, the throttle body could be to blame. When the throttle body isn't functioning properly, it can restrict the airflow to the engine, causing a decrease in power and performance. Then there's poor fuel economy. This is a bit of a tricky one because so many factors can affect a car's fuel efficiency. However, if you notice your car is guzzling more gas than usual and there's no apparent reason, a malfunctioning throttle body could be the culprit. If it's not regulating the air and fuel mixture correctly, your engine will have to work harder and consume more fuel. Difficulty starting the car is another symptom to watch out for. The throttle body plays a crucial role in the starting process as it regulates the air-fuel mixture that's needed to ignite the engine. If this mixture is off because of a faulty throttle body, you might find it takes a few tries to get the engine started, or it might not start at all. Finally, we have the check engine light. This is your car's way of telling you that something is wrong. If your throttle body is faulty, it can trigger the check engine light to come on. So if you see this light and are experiencing any of the other symptoms mentioned, it might be time to take a closer look at your throttle body. Remember, these symptoms are warning signs that your throttle body needs attention. Ignoring these symptoms can lead to more than just inconvenience. Let's delve into the potential risks and repercussions of ignoring the symptoms of a bad throttle body. First off, engine damage. A malfunctioning throttle body can cause your engine to run lean, meaning there is more air than fuel in the mixture. This can lead to overheating and serious damage to your engine. Secondly, increased fuel consumption. When the throttle body isn't working properly, your car may need more fuel to maintain the same speed. Over time, this can add up to a significant increase in your fuel costs. Lastly, unsafe driving conditions. A faulty throttle body can cause inconsistent engine performance. This could mean unexpected acceleration or deceleration, making your car unpredictable and potentially dangerous to drive. So, as you can see, it's not just about a smooth ride or saving on fuel costs. Your safety and the longevity of your car are at stake. Prevention is always better than cure, especially when it comes to your vehicle. So, to recap, recognizing the symptoms of a bad throttle body is essential to maintaining the health of your vehicle. These symptoms can range from uneven engine idle and reduced fuel efficiency to more severe issues like stalling or even total engine failure. The throttle body plays a crucial role in controlling the amount of air entering your engine, and any issues can seriously impact your vehicle's performance. Regular maintenance and timely repairs are key to ensuring its longevity and optimal function. If you notice your vehicle exhibiting any of these symptoms, it's crucial to take action immediately. Don't wait for the problem to worsen, potentially causing more damage and increasing repair costs. Seek professional help to diagnose and fix the issue promptly. Knowledge is power, and understanding the symptoms of a bad throttle body can save you time, money, and potentially your safety. Stay informed, stay safe, and keep your vehicle running smoothly.